channel. Today we're going to be doing a battle between two of the hottest composite bats.
The Marucci Cat X and the Easton Hype Fire. We're going to be doing a couple swings with these each to see which one's the hottest overall. Let's get started. First, Cat X. Good pop. Really good contact bat. If we're going for yardage, maybe not so much.
Let's go over by my ball. Alice actually. This bat is honestly way better than I was thinking. Easton Hype. This bat is like a little bit heavier, but like if you hit it like right on the sweet spot, it'll go way further than the Cat X.
Overall, in my opinion, the Easton Hype Fire is hotter. I think it's just better. It has a lot of power behind it. I think if you're looking to hit a swamp turkey, you're probably going to use the Easton Hype Fire. If you're looking for contact, you're using the Cat X.
So like he said, the Hype Fire is obviously hotter, but this bat is way better for contact. And me personally, I'm a contact hitter, so I think I'm going to choose the Cat X. Hit the like and subscribe.